What is up, guys? It's your boy Logan, and we are back on the Logan Brown Show. For today, we're going to be talking about Yeezys. Day by day, or month by month I should say, or year by year, the prices of Yeezys have been going down and down and down. Why is this? It's because, end quote, Kanye West said, everybody who wants a Yeezy will eventually get one. He realized that when he was pairing with the brand, whether it was going to be Adidas or Nike, when he was deciding, he knew people were going to flock towards his shoes. Because the first time that he was really collabing with a big brand like that, he knew the sale was going to be fast, so did the brands themselves. When shoes sell out so fast, the resale fees go up because there's more need, there's more people trying to get those shoes. Now the more and more people that see, oh my gosh, Yeezy drop, oh my gosh, Yeezy drop, Yeezy, 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 and the more Yeezy drops there are, how many times can I say Yeezy, the more frequent you're going to see shoes popping up at different stores, popping up at different locations from different sellers, from people selling them personally. All these people coming together, buying all these different shoes, and it's just adding to the mass. Next thing you know, next year we're going to be dropping some more Yeezys, and the year after that, and the year after that, and then it's just going to be more relevant to us today. Now, we do have a pair of some blue tints with us today, and for right now, I can buy a pair of blue tints for about $340 on StockX.com in my size 11.5s because the prices are going down. Usually when you flip Yeezys, you resell them, you completely double the price, and sometimes they will double again. But with these shoes, they didn't even double up. They did not even double up. And that's a really, really good deal, honestly. And as you can see, these prices really are going down. So what we have next is some specs on the blue tints and why you should and why you shouldn't buy them. Alrighty guys, here we go. The blue tints, 350 boost right here. Let's get a little spin around. Alright, let's just get right into it. Here we go. About to dive straight into the blue tints. And of course, these were sent by the boy StockX right here. Already. Oh my gosh. These are size 13s because we don't carry in the little kid sizes, alright? Man, just seeing Yeezys up close, guys, you really gotta just see them. It's just the quality that sells the shoe. Oh my gosh, dang. These are definitely some blue tints. I can't wait to show you guys the specs on these, dang. Are you guys seeing this? I think you are. I think I am. And I'm being amazed right now. Let's get down into it and I'll show you guys some more specs of these shoes. Let's go. Yeah! Right here are the blue tints. Yes, the blue tint Yeezys. As you can see, they're lightly tinted blue in many different places. One place you can really tell is the heel. Oh geez, I'm just smashing these shoes all over this table. The soles. They're like this light gray, but blue at the same time. As you can see in the close-up, they're really cool. They're almost transparent at the same time. I love the laces. They're such a light blue, and it just matches with the whole colorway of the shoe. On the side, you can see it says Supply 350, but it's in red, and I think that's so cool because it really makes it pop out. If it just had a gray or if it had a black, like yeah, it would work out, but it just doesn't pop as much, and I just really like how they hit it with that. Kind of reminds me of Spider-Man, like the hype version of Spider-Man, light blue with the red Yeezy. And also they hit it in the back with this red stitching in this back tab right here. And on the inside, as you can see, has Adidas 3 stripes once again. Guys, you guys already know. You already know about these Yeezys. Now, you can get these decently cheap. I'm talking from the 3s to 400s. Yes, I know that's a lot of money for shoes, but at the same time, it's a lot less money for what Yeezys actually go for. And yes, these are real and authentic, sent by StockX. Now, you guys might be saying, Logan, I want to buy some new Yeezys, but which ones should I buy? The belugas, semi-frozen yellows, or the blue tints, bro? Or girl, because there are women's sizes, but it all depends on your interest. I mean, the belugas are kind of gray. The blue tints are blue and gray. The semi-frozen yellows are bright and blue and they're really out there, but I'd say for me personally, I think attention should be drawn towards the blue tints. They're the most neutral and controversial shoe that you can wear day to day with every single outfit that you have, or at least most of them, because they just blend so well. Alrighty guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys slap the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. And once you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon right here so you can be reminded every single time I drop a video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.